Hello students, welcome to BioWhisper, my bio podcast channel. So, in continuation with the lecture series on microbes in human welfare, which is a very important chapter of class 12 biology, today we are continuing with the second lecture, microbes in industrial products. We all know that many large-scale industrial products are produced using microbes through fermentation. This can be seen in the case of alcohol beverages, antibiotics, organic acids. Then we have the enzymes and also single cell protein SCP. So let's study them one by one. Alcohol beverages. Here the microbe is the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It helps in the preparation of wine, whiskey, rum, beer. Fermentation helps to convert sugar into alcohol and CO2. The second one in line is antibiotics. What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are chemical substances that are prepared using microbes. And these microbes inhibit the function of the harmful microbes, other harmful microbes. Let us take the example of penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming, and the microbe associated here is Penicillium notatum, Penicillium notatum. The third one in line is organic acids. Here we will study about three of them: citric acid, acetic acid and lactic acid. In preparation of citric acid, the microbe concerned is Aspergillus niger and it is used as preservatives. In preparation of acetic acid, the microbe associated is Acetobacter aceti and it is used in vinegar. Lactic acid, here the microbe concerned is Lactobacillus and it is used in food industry. Now let us move to fourth one, enzymes. Here we will discuss about proteases, lipases and then amylase. Proteases are used in detergents, amylases in detergents as well as in food, while lipases is used as or in starch processing. The last one is single celled protein. Microbes like a spirulina are used as protein source and such kind of microbes help in overcoming protein deficiency. So this was the second lecture on this particular topic. We will continue with this particular topic through lectures in successive days. So until then, do subscribe my channel if you haven't done so and also like my videos. Thank you.